Dear friends, today we will see the question of physics for the previous that has been asked in the previous year. And let's start with the first question. And the question first is, which of the following Indian scientists was elected as a fellow of the Royal Society of London for his contribution in the field of plant physiology and the physics? Answer is Jagdish Chandra Bose. You have heard about the Bose-Einstein conditions, and to develop that, one of the fifth state of the matter, and he had contributed in the field of plant physiology too. So he has the membership of Royal Society of London. And friend, having the membership of that institution at that time is considered to be very prestigious things. And for Indian, which at that moment the condition and the education status of Indian is considered low in the eye of Britishers, and a man who goes to the Royal Society is a very achievement at that time. Second is, steam is more harmful for human body than the boiling water in case of burn. Assertion. Reason. Boiling water contains more heat than steam. I think A is right. Like, assertion is right. Steam is more harmful for the human body than the boiling water in case of burn at the same temperature, because the kinetic energy of heat of steam is very high, which cause higher burn, higher damage to the skin as compared to the water. A is true and the R is false. Why is it difficult to see through fog? फोग के जब सर्दी का समय आता है तो फोग के आसपास देखने में हमें डिफ़िकल्टी क्यों होती है? ए, रेज ऑफ लाइट सफ़र टोटल इंटरनल रिफ्लेक्शन फ्रॉम द फॉग ड्रॉपलेट्स. Rays of light are scattered by the fog droplets. Fog droplet absorb light. The refractive index of fog is extremely high. Its answer is the rays of light are scattered by the fog droplet. And the fourth question is, the density of water varies with the temperature, which helps the aquatic animal to live in cold water. At what temperature is the density of water is maximum? Friend, its answer is 4 degree. If we see the graph of density of water, its first increase 0 to 4, then its decrease or remain as so. Fifth question, who gave the first evidence of Big Bang theory? Is Edwin Hubble, who talk about the first evidence of Big Bang theory. The Big Bang theory tell us about the evolve and the how the universe or galaxy has been created. And the sixth question is, a ray of light is incident on a plane mirror at an angle of 30 degree with the normal at the point of incidence. The ray will be deviated from the incident direction by what angle? Like, in this question, the examiner has asked, this is the incident ray, this is normal, and it make 30 degree angle. If this make 30 degree angle, it definitely make 30 degree angle. And in this question, it has how much it deflect from its ray of incident. If it will deflect around 60 degree, because 30 is that, 30 is that, and total deflection is 60 degree. What will be the best choice for window material to be keep the outside heat away? A single pane glass, double pane glass without a gap in between, double pane glass with water filled in between, double pane glass with air in between. Friend, to have cut the transfer of heat, we use the medium that is the poor conductor of heat and electricity. Here we are talking about heat, so air is comparatively poor conductor of heat, so we go with the air. Bar is a unit of which of the following quantity? Bar and Pascal are the unit of pressure, and the unit of force is Newton and dyne. Energy is calorie, and frequency is second inverse. On which of the following conservative law does a rocket work? Friend, a rocket work on the principle of first a mass, angular momentum, linear momentum, or energy. It work on this Newton's second law of motion, that is change of momentum. Option C. In a pressure cooker, food is cooked above the boiling point. Assertions. Reason: boiling point of water increases as the pressure increases. Friend, the assertions is right and the reason is also right. So the option A is right answer. Eleventh, the phenomena of mirage occur due to which of the following? A. Polarization of light. B. Dispersion of light. C. Diffraction of light. D. Total internal reflection of light. It happened due to total internal reflection of light, and this phenomena is very, like in that situation we see that there is a water from a few meters, but when we reach there is no water, and this phenomena happened due to the total internal reflection of light. In the summer, it is evident then the heat wave and transparent water like wave are coming out from the roads. You can see in your nearby this phenomena. And friend, it is also applicable in the internet, and modern day sea cable are work on this principle, and we get the high speed internet. Which of the following common device work on the base of principle of mutual induction? LED? No. Photodiode? No. Tube light? No. It's transformer. Television signal can be received generally beyond a particular distance due to? Friend, the television signal cannot be received by a particular end because they work on the principle of antenna, like they need, this is the sending antenna and this is the receiving antenna, of having a direct contact between them. And as we know that earth is curved, if we put antenna is here and the second antenna is here, then the propagation of wave is not happen because lack of the continuity, and this wave is not like to go to this sender or receiver end. And if we increase the height, it will be more costly and challenging to reach there. So it happen due to the curved nature of earth. That's why due to this, after a certain distance, the mode of transfer of TV signal cannot be take place. if a small and second question is that in modern day satellite communication, the transfer is take place due to the communication through the ionospheres and having in the last layer of earth. If a small raindrop falls through air, its velocity goes increase, its velocity goes on decrease, its velocity go increase for some time and then become constant. Its velocity for a falls with constant speed for some time and then velocity increase. Friend, the velocity of a raindrop will increase till it achieves the uh, final velocity. Consider the following statement about the X-rays. First, can pass through aluminium, can be deflected by magnetic field, move with the velocity less than the velocity of ultraviolet ray in vacuum. This is the true, this is false, this is also false. First, only one. Friend, as X-ray are these are the wave, these are the ray which can be penetrate in any object, and they have not the electrons, so the matter of deflection from the magnetic field is not very valid. And the third one, move with the velocity less than the velocity of UV ray in the vacuum, that is also wrong. 16. Which one of the following is permissible level of noise in a silent zone at a daytime? It is 50 decibel. The frequency which can be heard around 20 to the 20,000 hertz. Less than this is infrasonic. And is that is I forget. I will let you know in the next session. Which of the following an old written which can be read easily? With the help of infrared ray, we are easily able to read the ancient language and ancient scriptures. And my question for you: which rays are used in the mobile, in the remote? And the second question is, which wave or which type of rays we are used in the microwave? 18. Earthquake shock wave are seismic wave that happen due to sudden change, and the point which start is called as focus, and where the first time they reach to the surface, that is called epicenter, and epicenter is the minimum distance between the focus and the point where it reach on surface. It is of two type. It propagate in L wave, P wave, S wave. Laser is a device to produce a beam of white light, a microwave, X-ray, a coherent light. Laser light is the somewhere similar that we used to play in this childhood. This toy was somewhere developed by a continuous following of coherent light, and recently this principle are being developed by in defense forces to make a modernized weapon. And Probably it will be the next generation weapon, and recently UK has shown their capability to test this kind of weapons, and it's very cost effective. With the missile we hit a target in the millions, but with the this laser technique we can uh, down down target around 20 to $30. So friends, just from my side, I will see you in the next video. Till then, Jai Hind, take care, see you soon.